Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico Magazine. And welcome to episode 30 of the 5-Minute Friday. This week, we're heading to Sobremesa on the west side of Albuquerque. We're opening our New Mexico Harvest CSA bag, and we're making parsnip whipped mashed potatoes with a red chili sauce.
But first, we're gonna do this. No, because you're gonna put it in the freaking hell tank.
All right. We're going into Sobremesa. It's a brand new brewery right here on the west side. We're checking them out, and we're gonna go try their beer and their food. We're gonna get it to go though. New place on the west side.
Thank you.
We got our food, we got our beer. These are cool cans, I like that. Sobremesa, brand new. Let's take it home and try it. So we just got back from Sobremesa, trying their beer for the first time.
It's the Gila's Lager.
Gila's Lager? Helis? Hellies. H-E-L-L-E-S. Helis Lager. That's pretty good. Pretty good. This one is Steph's. I will go ahead and show it to you. It is their Cubano sandwich. That's Steph's, so I'm not going to try it. And then I got
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar.
House made chips.
And I got half chicken. And I guess they put my chips in my calabasitas. This is my chips. And then I also got calabasitas. Dump it in. Calabasitas and chicken. That's what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. That's good.
Good chicken.
That's good. Sobremesa on the west side. They're doing takeout and they're doing dining.
Today we are digging into our traditional harvest bag from New Mexico Harvest. And a traditional harvest bag is you get what you get. And so they just launched this. You can pick them up at La Esquina, which is the new kind of concept happening in Morelos in downtown Albuquerque. So let's see what we got inside. We got kale, radishes. Those are beautiful radishes. Ooh, I know what we can do with those. 2.5 pounds of beefsteak tomatoes. Broccoli, rabe. Nice. What's in here? Oh, peppers, all kinds of peppers. We got some parsnips. We got apples, bag of apples, and lemon cucumbers.
Really? Lemon cucumbers?
I think that's what that is. All right, let me.
Lemon cucumbers.
We've got Fuji apples from Velarde, Montoya Orchards. We've got sweet peppers from De Cloris Farm in Anthony. We've got radishes from Carrasco Family Farm in Belen. We've got tomatoes from Growing Opportunities in Alcalde. We've got parsnips from Romero Farms in Dixon. We've got lemon cucumbers from North Valley Organics. We've got broccoli from Silverleaf Farms in Corrales. And we've got red Russian kale from Mondolaro Farms in Albuquerque. What are we gonna make with all of this yummy stuff? Now we gotta get creative. Next up.
Okay, so we opened our CSA earlier and we got these parsnips and we got a bunch of other stuff, but it came with a recipe and we're gonna make that recipe, and they call it parsnip whipped mashed potatoes. So it's gonna be basically parsnip, potatoes, and then we have some chopped shallot, we have some chopped chives, and of course, you gotta have butter, salt and pepper, and we have half and half here. I've already peeled the potatoes. You've seen people peel potatoes before, but I'm gonna show you how to peel a parsnip. First, we're gonna break off all these little rooty things here, and just kind of clean that off with your hands. I'm gonna get this out of the way too, just because it's in the way. And all those off. So we're just gonna peel it like a regular like a potato. I'm peeling it into my bowl here, making a mess. And all over the kitchen. Because I peel like a crazy Navy dude. Happy Veterans Day, everybody. Today is Veterans Day. We're doing this on Veterans Day. So, if anyone saw my Facebook, I posted me in my old uniform.
Half the peels in the bowl.
Okay, so we have our parsnip. We have it nice and peeled. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna put that aside. Do that and cut these into just I don't know, 1/4-inch cubes. Of course, that's whoops, I dropped one. And then this part, let's drop another one. Parsnippity. Don't get parsnippity with me, Steph. You're getting all parsnippity. She's gonna parsnip me. And now we got our potatoes, and you've all seen potatoes. These are our potatoes. These are really nice potatoes. I like these. These also came out of our CSA, our New Mexico Harvest. Thank you, New Mexico Harvest, for all this bountiful food. All right, so we have our water boiling right now, and we have our parsnips and our potatoes right here, nice and pretty. And I'm just gonna put it all in there. Be really careful not to splash yourself. So I'll see you in about 15-20 minutes, and this should be done. So sometimes we have technical difficulties, and unfortunately our microphone broke while we were shooting this segment, so I'm narrating the rest. 3 tablespoons of butter and a 1/2 cup of half and half. About a teaspoon of salt here. Tablespoon of chopped shallots. And a tablespoon of chopped chives. The special thing about this chili sauce is it's made with fresh chilies and not a chili powder. So we're going to use an ice cream scoop to dish out the parsnip whipped potatoes, and we're going to put them in a bowl. Now we're going to top it off with some of that Harvest red chili. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. So here it is, parsnip whipped potatoes with red chili sauce. Oh yeah. You can see on my face, I'm happy. Oh yeah. Happy Walt, so happy Walt. That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.